In this video I will try to save this Asus laptop battery. So let's see what is the problem. The Asus laptop sees this battery but does not charge it. And now let's see why. Let's measure each element. That's the first element. It's good. Second element is good. And third element is dead. If there is a drop of voltage to 0 volts, this chipset will change his status to locked. And even if we replace this battery, if this is locked, will not be recognized by the laptop. And first of all, you have to change the dead element, and after that you have to unlock this charging chip. I am lucky because I have a usual charging chip, and I saw on the internet and I saw on more of YouTube videos a solution to unlock this chip, and I will try in this video if this solution works. I will use this I2 to USB interface. This is used in debugging. So the most easy part is to replace a dead element, and the challenge will be to unlock this chip. So let's begin. So the simplest part was done. I've replaced this bad element with a good one. Now I have to charge these elements. This should be each minimum 4 volts. Let's test it. First element 4 volts. Now I am charging second element 4 volts, and third element will be 4 volts. And because I made a lot of tests with free software and I didn't succeed, now it's time to make a test, to make a reset with this professional device. Now let's see how this works. So I've connected the ground, data, clock and plus pin. So I forgot to put the enable wire to the battery, and that's why before not working, but now it's working. Let me show you. I will repeat again. So new reset, read, next, next, unseal, clear errors, seal, and reset, battery info, and now status is unlocked. Now let's charge it. Now charging it's working, because you can see the current is up, and now will balance itself. You can see it's charging each element as it needs. Now I have to put this battery back to the laptop and see if the laptop is charging, but definitely should charge. So I've made a lot of mistakes, but I've learned from my mistakes. When I put the battery back into the laptop, was unlocked but also unbalanced, and the laptop sees the batteries but not charging and not working on battery. And that's why I took the battery out and I put this resistor to the element with the most charging and I discharge it. And now let me show you the element. The battery is unlocked and the elements are perfectly balanced. Now to be sure I will unlock again, because it's complicated to put the battery back. So let's reset again. Stop reading, reset, new reset, read SBS, next, next. Now unseal, clear chip errors, seal, and reset. Now let's go to the battery info. Status is unlocked and the elements are balanced. Now let's put it back in the laptop and make a test. So I've put the battery back. The laptop sees the battery, sees 60% available, plugged in, but it's not charging. So it seems still I have a problem. I will take the battery out to check the fuse. So it took me a few hours to find why this laptop it's recognizing the battery, but it's not working with the battery. And now I will show you the short version, and I will make another video about this, because I don't want to make this video very long. So now let me show you. I put the battery back. Now let's connect the keyboard, because the power button is on the keyboard. Now the laptop it's only on the battery, charger it's not. I press the power button and the laptop it's not turning on. Now I will put this screw back in his position next to the battery connector. And now let's test again. Now let's press the power button and the laptop is on. But it's not booting because the hard is not inside. The hard disk is not connected. Now I will connect the charger, but I have to put everything back. So I show you that now it's charging. Now I've connected the hard disk back and now you can see it's charging, and it's 33 minutes until fully charged. So now the battery is working. You can see now it's 70% and it's increasing. Now let's jump to the conclusions. I only managed to repair the battery and find the problem, if it was on the battery or on the laptop, only with this device. It's not very cheap, but if you are passionate about repairing laptops, then you need this device. If you want to buy this device, you will find a link in the description of this video. If you find this helpful, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.